Welcome to CDG Inspection, a global leader in testing and quality assurance services. Corrosion is one of the biggest threats to materials in various industries. That's why we offer ISO 9227 testing services, ensuring your products meet the highest standards for corrosion resistance. Our ISO 9227 testing supports industries including automotive, aerospace, construction, and marine, protecting critical components from premature failure. ISO 9227 testing, also known as the salt spray test, is a reliable method to evaluate the corrosion resistance of metals and coatings under harsh conditions. At CDG Inspection, our experienced professionals ensure every test is conducted with precision and reliability. We use advanced equipment and methodologies to deliver accurate and repeatable results, every time. With years of experience, global accreditation, and a commitment to excellence, CDG Inspection is your trusted partner for ISO 9227 testing. Our testing helps ensure the durability of products in real-world conditions, preventing costly failures and ensuring safety. We understand that every project is unique. That's why we provide customized testing solutions tailored to your needs. Need quick results? We pride ourselves on delivering fast turnaround times without compromising on quality. Get comprehensive, easy-to-understand reports, providing actionable insights to improve your products. With a presence in multiple countries, CDG Inspection serves clients worldwide. We're committed to sustainability, using eco-friendly practices in all our testing processes. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied customers who trust CDG Inspection for their corrosion testing needs. Protect your products from corrosion and ensure their long-term performance. Visit www.cdginspection.com to learn more and make an inquiry today.